Almost got it. Just going about an inch at a time. Get this thing on here. It's kicking my butt. And so far so good. All my measurements were correct. It's gonna be pretty nice. Still have to do the interior, but it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be small. It'll be fine. I had to notch this little corner right here because it kept digging in. It used to come down right here, connect over to there. I kept digging into the rail, but it's getting there. Got about another, I don't know, 16 inches to go, I'm guessing. Quite the mess. I can't wait to get this all cleaned up. It's gonna be nice. There she is. I can't wait to do my first overnight or weekend. All right, that's all for now. Bye.